Hi all, welcome to the video. In this video, let's look into the topic planning and modeling principle. Introduction to planning and modeling. Planning and modeling are the fundamental process which guide the decision making and also problem solving across a wide range of the disciplines. They involve careful examining a situation, which involve identifying goals and constraints and also developing a structured approach to achieve a desired outcome. Let's look into planning and modeling. Planning is the act of creating a detailed step-by-step strategy to achieve a specific goal, which involves analyzing the current state, identifying the desired future state, and also developing a roadmap to bridge the gap. Effective planning considered resources, timelines, and potential obstacles, which helps to ensure efficient and also successful execution. Modeling is a process of creating a simplified representation of complex problem. It involves abstracting the key elements and also relationship to better understand the underlying dynamics and make informed decision. Model can take various forms from mathematical equation to visual simulation and are used across disciplines to test hypotheses, predict outcomes, and optimize the solutions. Principles of planning and modeling. Clearly defined objective. Establishing clear, measurable goals is essential for effective planning and modeling. This also provides a target to work towards and help evaluate the success of the process. Comprehensive analysis. Through examination of the problem or situation, including or identifying key variable constraints and interdependencies, it is very important for developing an accurate and also reliable models. Iterative refinement. Both the planning as well as modeling are iterative processes which require continuous evaluation and adjustment to ensure the approach remains relevant and also effective as even in case of change in few circumstances. Collaboration and communication. Successful planning and modeling often involve cross-functional teams and stakeholder engagement to leverage diverse perspectives and ensure buy-in for the proposed solutions. Advantages of planning and modeling. Improve decision making by systematically analyzing a problem and considering various scenarios. Planning and modeling help to identify most effective and efficient solution, leading to better informed decisions. Risk mitigation. The process of planning and modeling allows for the anticipation and management of potential risk, helping organization or also the individual to proactively address challenges and also to minimize the effect of impact of the unexpected events. Resource optimization. Careful planning and modeling can help to ensure the resources such as time, money, personnel, which are located in the most effective, which are allocated in the most effective and efficient manner, reducing waste and maximizing productivity. Disadvantages of planning and modeling. Time and effort requirement. Effective planning and modeling can be time consuming and also resource intensive, which requires significant investment of effort and attention, which may not always be feasible or also practical. Complexity and uncertainty. Real world situations which are often highly complex with numerous interdependent variables and also unpredictable factors. Capturing all these elements in a model is a challenging task, and the results may not always accurately reflect reality. Resistance to change. Some individual or organization may be hesitant to embrace new planning and modeling approaches, referring to rely on familiar, established methods which can hinder the implementation and innovative solutions. Potential for misinterpretation. Poorly designed or the communicated plans and models can lead to misunderstanding and incorrect interpretations, potentially resulting in suboptimal decisions or unintended consequences. Pictorial representation of the planning and modeling. First is the problem identification. We have to clearly define the problem or the challenges needs to be addressed in the first step in the planning and modeling process. The second one is the data collection, gathering the relevant data and the information based on our problem is very important, and also developing accurate and reliable model that can inform the planning processes. The third one is model development, creating a simplified representation of the problem or system including key variables and their relationship is the core of the modeling phase. Then comes the plan formulation. Using the insights gained from the modeling process, a detailed plan of action is developed to achieve the desired objective. And then comes the implementation. Executing the plan and continuously monitoring and adjusting as needed to ensure successful outcome is the final step in the planning and modeling process cycle. Examples of planning and modeling. Gantt chart. A Gantt chart is a common planning tool used to visualize the sequence and duration of various tasks within a project. It helps to identify dependencies, allocate resource, and track the progress. Monte Carlo simulation. Monte Carlo simulation is a modeling technique which involves running multiple iterations of the scenario, each with randomly generated inputs to access the probability of different outcomes and identify potential risk. Decision tree analysis. Decision tree analysis is a modeling approach which visually represents a series of decisions and their potential consequences. This can help evaluate different options and choose the optimal path forward. This was about the planning and modeling process. Thank you.